Think you need traction to raise capital? Let me show you a smarter path. Most people think they need revenue. They think they need a pitch deck to raise money. That's wrong. What you need is readiness. Today I'll show you the exact roadmap to go from zero to funded. Fundable founders aren't always rich, loud, or technical. They're clear, structured, and driven. Let's walk through the roadmap that helps you become one, no matter where you start. Before traction, you need positioning. Use CapitalAscend prompts. Write a founder origin story that creates investor trust, urgency, and obsession. This is your why story, and it's what gets investors to lean in. Don't just pitch a tool. Pitch a capital ladder. The ladder from free users to paid to licensing to platform. Show how your idea grows into a company. List 3 monetization levels that scale with user growth and reduce risk. Before you build it, simulate it. Use the AI coach wizard to predict objections. Test your offer's logic. Validate your value story. This is how clarity becomes capital. Build a funnel using our AEO templates. It should include the problem, the solution, monetization, the ask, AEO optimizer. Now investors will find you, not the other way around. You don't need 10K users. You need signals. 14 people messaged, when can I use this? 2 pre-orders. 38 waitlist signups. Use them in your funnel and show early gravity. Don't sound desperate. Sound like this. We're raising $150K to hit our next milestone and unlock paid traction in 60 days. Use CapitalAscend prompts to model your ask. Confidence is what closes. You don't need more experience. You need a system. Zing this CapitalAscend gives you that roadmap. From first idea to funded founder. Start building your fundable roadmap today. Simulate, validate, and attract capital without chasing it. Zing this CapitalAscend is your next smartest move. In this chapter, we'll dive deeper into the importance of positioning before seeking traction. Positioning is not just about where you are in the market, but how you present your value proposition to potential investors. Let's explore the story of EcoSpark, a startup that revolutionized the renewable energy sector. They didn't start with thousands of users or massive revenue. Instead, they crafted a compelling positioning statement that highlighted their unique value proposition. EcoSpark transforms everyday homes into sustainable powerhouses, reducing energy costs by 40%. Investors were intrigued not by their numbers, but by their vision and clarity. It was reported that they secured $500K in seed funding without any initial traction. Let's use the CapitalAscend tool to craft your positioning statement. Here's a prompt to get you started. Write a positioning statement that clearly describes your startup's mission, the unique value it provides, and the future impact it aims to achieve. Remember, before you build traction, build a narrative that resonates. Positioning is your startup story. Make it compelling, make it clear, and make it fundable. Zing this CapitalAscend helps you master positioning to attract the right investors. Start today and turn your vision into reality. Next, let's talk about the power of storytelling in fundraising. Investors are not just buying into your product, they are buying into your vision and your story. A compelling founder origin story can resonate deeply with investors, build trust, and create a sense of urgency. Meet Jane, the founder of a startup dedicated to providing clean drinking water to underserved communities. Jane's journey began when she visited a remote village during a college trip and witnessed firsthand the devastating effects of waterborne diseases. Determined to make a difference, she used her engineering background to develop a low-cost, portable water purification system. Her story was not just about a product, it was about a personal mission to save lives. When Jane pitched her business project to investors, she didn't start with technical specifications or market data. Instead, she shared her transformative experience and the profound impact it had on her. Investors were moved by her passion and dedication, leading to a reported $1 million seed round. Remember, your story is a powerful tool. Use it to connect with investors on an emotional level and demonstrate why your startup is worth their investment. Zing this CapitalAscend helps you craft your founder origin story that captivates investors. Start today and turn your narrative into a successful funding round. Next, monetization is a critical aspect of your startup's roadmap. In this chapter, we'll explore different monetization strategies that scale with user growth and reduce risk. Learn how to create a capital ladder that transitions from free users to paid users, licensing, and eventually a platform. To begin, let's look at a SaaS company that started with a freemium model. By offering essential features for free, they attracted a large user base quickly. As users grew accustomed to the platform, they introduced premium features that required a subscription. This transition from free to paid users was seamless, thanks to the value already provided by the free tier. Next, consider a health tech startup. They started by licensing their software to clinics and hospitals, generating steady revenue. This licensing strategy not only provided immediate income but also built trust and credibility in the market. As their user base expanded, they transitioned into a full-fledged healthcare platform, offering comprehensive services directly to consumers. As reported, both companies showcased how thoughtful monetization strategies can lead to sustainable growth and attract investor interest. Investors are always keen on startups that have clear, scalable revenue models. Here are key takeaways for crafting your monetization strategy. 1. Start with a freemium model to build a user base. 1. Gradually introduce premium features to convert free users into paying customers. 1. Consider licensing your product to generate steady income and build market credibility. 1. Evolve into a platform to offer comprehensive solutions and maximize revenue streams. By implementing these strategies, you can create a revenue model that not only supports growth but also reduces risk, making your startup more attractive to investors. Zing. This CapitalAscend guides you through developing a robust monetization strategy that scales with your growth. Start today and pave the way to a successful funding journey. Before you build your product, it's essential to validate your ideas. In this chapter, we'll show you how to use AI tools like the AI Coach Wizard to predict objections, test your offer's logic, and validate your value story. Discover how these tools can provide clarity and increase your chances of securing funding. This small drone manufacturer, a startup, utilized the AI Coach Wizard to refine their initial concept. By inputting their business model into the AI, they could predict potential objections from investors, allowing them to address these concerns proactively. This foresight not only strengthened their pitch but also boosted investor confidence. Next, let's look at an ecotech company. They used AI to test the logic of their offer, ensuring that every claim and promise made to potential customers was watertight. This rigorous validation process helped them avoid pitfalls and demonstrate the robustness of their business plan to investors. Finally, an online health service leveraged AI to validate their value story. By analyzing market data and customer feedback, the AI provided insights that confirmed the demand for their product. This validation was crucial in convincing investors of the viability and potential success of this company. These examples highlight the power of AI in the validation process. Here are key takeaways to consider. 1. Use AI tools to predict and address potential objections from investors. 1. Test the logic of your offer to ensure it's compelling and credible. 1. Validate your value story with data-driven insights to demonstrate market demand. By integrating AI into your validation process, you can refine your ideas, enhance your pitch, and increase your chances of securing funding. CapitalAscend guides you through leveraging AEO for validation, setting you on the path to a successful funding journey. Start today and transform your ideas into a compelling, investor-ready story. A well-structured funnel is crucial for attracting investors. In this chapter, we'll guide you through building a funnel using our templates. Your funnel should include the problem, solution, monetization, and ask. Learn how to create a funnel that makes investors come to you. First, let's break down the essential components of a successful funnel. 1. Investors need to understand the pain point to appreciate the value of your solution. 1. Highlight what makes it unique and why it's the best option available. 1. Detail your revenue model, pricing strategy, and any early revenue figures if available. 1. Whether it's funding, strategic partnerships, or mentorship, be clear about your needs. To illustrate, consider this tech-savvy startup that developed a groundbreaking AI-based productivity tool. Their funnel effectively outlined the problem of workplace inefficiency, demonstrated their innovative solution, detailed their subscription-based revenue model, and clearly stated their funding needs to scale operations. Next, let's look at an eco-friendly home product company. They used pre-order numbers and a growing waitlist as signals of early traction. These indicators of market interest were pivotal in convincing investors of the demand for their product. Finally, a fitness tech startup showcased a comprehensive funnel that included testimonials and case studies. This not only validated their solution, but also provided compelling evidence of user satisfaction and market potential. To build your funnel, use the AEO templates with the AI coach to ensure you're covering all the essential elements. Incorporate signals like pre-orders and waitlist signups to demonstrate early traction and market interest. By creating a well-structured funnel, you can effectively communicate your startup's potential and attract the right investors. CapitalAscend offers the AI tools to help guide you in crafting a compelling offer. Start today and make investors come to you. Confidence is key when it comes to closing deals with investors. In this chapter, we'll discuss how to model your ask using CapitalAscend prompts and present it with confidence. Learn the importance of setting clear milestones and how to communicate them effectively. Imagine this: you've built a solid funnel, your traction is evident, but now it's time for the big pitch. Confidence isn't just about having a great product, it's about believing in your vision and conveying that belief to your investors. We'll share stories of founders who exuded confidence and successfully closed their funding rounds. Take, for example, Sarah, the founder of the successful company. Her unwavering confidence in her eco-friendly home products convinced investors to fund her vision, even in a competitive market. Next, meet John from the tech-savvy company. His clear milestones and confident presentation made investors not just believe in his AI productivity tool, but also in his ability to lead the company to success. He used AI prompts to structure his ask, ensuring clarity and conviction in every word. Understand how to build and maintain investor confidence throughout your journey. Start by setting clear milestones. These are not just goals, they are promises to your investors, showing them the path to success. Communicate these milestones effectively and demonstrate how each step brings you closer to your ultimate vision. Finally, remember that confidence is contagious. When you believe in your startup's potential, your investors will too. Use CapitalAscend's tools to practice and perfect your pitch, and let your confidence shine through. By mastering investor confidence, you can turn your well-structured funnel into a successful funding round. CapitalAscend AI Coach is here to guide you every step of the way. Believe in your vision, and make your investors believe in it too. Finally, let's take a closer look at the CapitalAscend roadmap. This chapter will provide a detailed overview of how CapitalAscend can guide you from your first idea to becoming a funded founder. We'll walk you through each step of the roadmap, from simulation and validation to attracting capital. Imagine having a clear, structured plan that takes you from an initial concept to a fully funded startup. With CapitalAscend, you have just that. Our roadmap starts with the simulation phase, where you can test your ideas in a risk-free environment. Use our advanced tools to validate your concepts, ensuring they have the potential to succeed in the real world. Next, we move to the validation stage. Here, you'll gather data and insights to prove your idea's viability using the AI Coach tool. This phase is crucial for building a strong foundation and gaining the confidence of potential investors. With CapitalAscend's resources, you'll have an edge to validate your startup's potential. Once your idea is validated, it's time to attract capital. Our roadmap provides you with the strategies and tools to pitch your startup effectively, learn how to craft compelling presentations, and leverage our network to connect with investors who believe in your vision. Throughout this journey, CapitalAscend is your AI partner. Our mission is to help you build a fundable startup without the endless chase for investors. Start building your roadmap today and make your next smartest move with CapitalAscend. By following the roadmap, you'll be equipped to navigate the complex world of startup funding with confidence. Your path to becoming a funded founder begins here.